Agriculture is the most important industry in the world because it produces food. All living beings need food. The cultivation of crop is not an easy task. Farmers need to take care of many activities very carefully to have a good harvest. These activities are called agriculture. Farmer is a backbone of our country. Today we shall learn how farmers grow paddy farming. First step, plugging. Preparation of soil is mixing up the nutrients and making loose before farming is called plugging. And second step, manures and fertilizers to add manure or fertility to increase the yield of crops. Third one, sowing seeds. Choosing right seeds and sowing it suitable distance. Sowing seeds grow into plants. Fourth one, irrigation. Supplying water to the crops at regular interval is called irrigation. Rain is the primary source of water to the crops. Other methods of irrigation are drip irrigation and canal irrigation, etc. Fourth one, crop protection. When the seeds germinate and seedlings come out, it is necessary to protect them from pests, diseases and weeds. Weeding. Weeds are removed to protect the crops. Spraying of pesticides and insecticides. Spray to protect crop from insects. Scarecrow. To scare birds away from the fields where crops are grown. Fencing. Using fence to keep away grazing animals like cows and goats away from fields. Fifth one, harvesting. The process of cutting and collecting the mature crop. Sixth one, threshing. Separation of grains from the chaff. Dry the crop, store it for future use. Storage, seventh one. Lastly, the grain stored properly so that it can be consumed later. These practices saves to so much of time and combined effort of so many people, including the nature. It's required in growing the plants before the food served in your plate. Every single grain of rice required many months to grow. So we should not waste our food in any manner.